So this class will help you to develop certain skills. Okay, so as you are aware that how to expand ourselves, so you all must learn this quality. Expanding means the way we are thinking, it should be expanded. Okay, so in previous classes we have already talked that you are a student. When you think you are a student, so your responsibility is related with the schools. Okay, you have contracted yourself to studying, reading, doing homework, going to school, and completing your home assignment. But when you think you are not only a student but
Good
you
morning, sir.
are a responsible member of your society, then your responsibility expanded. And when you think yourself as you are a responsible citizen of the country, then again your responsibility is expanded. And when you find yourself as a global citizen, then again your responsibility becomes more. So, in this way, we can expand. So, let us have a quick recap. So, are you able to view this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is written there?
Yes, sir.
So can I read?
Nothing is written. It's very simple.
Sir,
And
expanding myself.
okay, expanding myself. Correct. So, in this session, we'll continue exploring the second universal possibilities that is open to us, expanding myself. So, it has two parts: widening my concerns and thinking about the wider impact of my action. What impacts are? ये impact क्या होता है? सो वाइडर इम्पैक्ट के बारे में बात करें. इम्पैक्ट मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द वर्ड इम्पैक्ट? एनीवन अमंग यू? यस,
Sir,
प्रभाव यूज.
that means
सर उसका
Prabhav.
बहुत ज्यादा असर पड़ता है.
Okay, so prabhav is impact, correct? So in third and fourth that we are going to discuss, that is making more unselfish choices and including others. So one and two we have already discussed, and we are in this class today we are going to discuss making more unselfish choices. So we'll take up making more unselfish choices, and today we will talk about this. सो ये अनसेल्फिश चॉइस क्या होता है? सो सेल्फिश में हम लोग अनसेल्फिश वर्ड जोड़ रहे हैं, तो ये क्या बनता है?
Sir, unselfish.
ओके, अनसेल्फिश. सो अनसेल्फिश क्या होता है? व्हाट डज इट मीन?
Sir, we will not think about myself. We will think about other and care about others.
Okay, right. So this is another, we are expanding ourselves, another
Good
way of
morning,
thinking. We are not very much concerned about only ourselves. Okay, we are also thinking about others as well. Right? So see the pictures, and it has two parts. Right? So may I request anyone among you to read this?
Sir,
sir. May
I
I
read.
read?
Sir,
Okay,
wait, Karan.
one by one.
So
Yes.
can I read?
You are
Okay,
alone
Rosni may
at
do.
home with your grandmother who is unwell. Your
Okay,
friend
Arya is
invites
doing
you
great.
for a party. Hey, come, it will be fun. You want to go, but this means you will have to leave your grandmother without help of several hours. What are some of the ways in which you can respond in this situation?
Okay, good. So you are alone at home with your grandmother who is unwell, right? Your grandmother is not well, and your friend invites you for a party. Hey, come, it will be fun. You want to go, but this means you will have to leave your grandmother without help for several hours, right? So, what are some of the ways in which you can respond to this situation?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. आप बताइए कि जो है ना इसमें करना क्या चाहिए। आप घर में हो और आपकी दादी बीमार है, ठीक है, और दूसरी तरफ जो है आपके फ्रेंड जो है आपको इनवाइट कर रहे हैं कि जो है ना पार्टी में बड़ा मजा आएगा, सो आपको ज्वाइन करना चाहिए। तो अब आपको करना क्या चाहिए?
Sir,
Sir,
I have
part.
to live with my grandmother
वन बाय
without joining
वन,
the party.
लेट समा स्पीक। समा को बोलने दीजिए, ठीक है।
Sir, I have to stay with my grandmother in my home without joining the party.
Okay, without joining the party. Okay, Sama thinks that she should, or the boy or the person should take care of her ailing grandmother, right? Anyone else?
Sir, I stay with my grandmother because party is not important. My grandmother health is important.
Okay. So when we expand ourselves, so friends are also equally important. Don't you think that that person or should join the party? Because when he is happy, then he would be able to take care of his grandmother happily. And what should he say to his friends? अगर मान लो कि उसके दोस्तों को मना करना है तो कैसे वो मना करेगा, क्या बोलेगा?
You want to go?
Yes, Jia, tell.
सर वो बोलेगा कि मैं नहीं जा सकता ना।
मैं नहीं जाऊंगा। या फिर वो ये भी बोल सकता है कि आप पार्टी कर रहे हो, है ना, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू हियर दैट, बट
स्टे में भी रख सकते हैं।
आई विल ज्वाइन सम अदर डे, ठीक है।
यस सर।
ऐसे बोल सकता है ना। कैसे प्यार से हम मना करेंगे कि दोस्तों को भी बुरा ना लगे और हम अपने आप को एक्सपेंड कर रहे हैं। एक्सपेंड मतलब दोस्तों को भी समय देना है, ठीक है, और दादी माँ को भी समय देना है। इसका मतलब हम दादी माँ तक सिमट के नहीं रह जाएं और दोस्तों को छोड़ दें, और हम दोस्तों तक सिमट के रह जाएं और फिर घर का मेंबर को छोड़ दें, ये भी नहीं है। सो यू शुड हैव कंसर्न। when you expand yourself, you should take care of both your grandmother as well as your friends. तो एक तरीका हो सकता है कि दादी को दवा उबा दे करके सुला दें और फिर पूछ लें कि जो है ना कि दादी माँ 1 घंटा में हम घूम के आ जाते हैं, आपको कुछ दिक्कत तो नहीं होगा ना। और फिर दोस्त के पास चले जाएंगे, पार्टी इंजॉय करेंगे और फिर बोलेंगे कि हमको जल्दी जाने दो और तुमने बुलाया था तो मैं आ गया, ठीक है, तो अब मुझे क्षमा करो एंड लेट मी गो अर्ली। तो क्या इस तरह से दोनों काम उसका हो सकता है?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
और बट अगर उसके लिए दादी को कुछ
हाँ, तो
जरूरत हो
दादी,
तो फिर वो किससे किससे करेंगी?
so ways are possible, various ways are there. Okay, let us read this one. Let us consider 3 ways in which you can respond. क्या क्या ऑप्शन है, पहले हमको सोचना चाहिए कि what options are available. ऐसे इंस्टेंट डिसीजन नहीं ले सकते हैं हम, डायरेक्ट नहीं बोल देंगे कि हम नहीं आएंगे, या दादी को डायरेक्ट मना नहीं कर देंगे, ठीक है। सो क्या क्या ऑप्शन हो सकता है कि हम पड़ोसी को रिक्वेस्ट करें कि 1 घंटा के लिए दादी को देख लीजिएगा। देयर मे बी ऑप्शन, सो व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल? So let us read it. May I request anyone among you?
Sir, can I read?
No, you have Sama, yes, do. At that time, some other
Let us consider
Sama do.
3 ways in which you can respond. Option A. I can't miss the party. All my friends will be there. I have to go. Option B. I can go for some time and make sure I am back within an hour. I will keep her food and medicine next to her, then she can manage without me until I am back. Option C. My grandmother can need me anytime. It is more important for me to be at home to care of her.
Yes, so 3 options are there. So which option do you find is better?
Sir, I think option C is correct.
Okay, it is no, there is no correct, no wrong, nothing wrong. It is up to you which one you find suitable.
Sir, I think option C.
Option C, okay, right?
Sir, option
Sir,
B.
option B.
Sir, option C.
Okay, it's your
Sir,
choice.
option B.
Option
Okay, fine.
B.
So, do you think if option A is being taken, I can't miss the party, all my friends will be there, so I have to go. So, do you think that person is making selfish choice?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And we know when we talk about option C, my grandmother can need any time. Okay. So it's more important for me to be at home to take care of her. So do you think in option C that person is selfish?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is he thinking about
No,
himself
sir.
No,
only?
sir.
No. And in option B, do you think that the person is thinking about both the person? He wants to think about
Yes,
his
sir.
grandmother as well as,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
and
sir.
he is also
Yes,
thinking
sir.
about his friends as well. So both are unselfish choices, okay? And it is up to you what you choose. So we cannot be judgmental, and it's our choice, or let the choice be left to the person only. Okay, see, if you choose option A, what things may happen? अब हम ऑप्शन ए क्यों चुने इस पर थोड़ा सा देखें. आई कांट मिस द पार्टी, ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स विल बी देयर, आई हैव टू गो. So how will you benefit? What will your grandmother gain or lose? Or what if you behave in the same way with your every member in your family? Your mother, your uncle, your aunt, your brother, your sister, and your father. Yes, आप में से जो है ना कोई भी बता सकते हैं. Anyone among you may answer.